Welcome to Dragy the World. We meant it when we said we were dragging the world. This is a Cab Over 3500. See what it can do, right? Speedo goes to 100. Is that saying it will do 100? We're not going to find out. Hi ho! Hi ho! Woo! I feel like I'm literally driving a fishbowl. Like literally, I feel like I'm in a fishbowl. This is like Gil from What About Bob? Wait! Oh, I didn't the brakes were. Oh shit, that was scary. Nice thing about this truck is you can adjust the mirrors on the fly without electronics. Oh yeah. Oh hey. It's a nice unit. It's funny, the speedometer matches this speedo better than any other car. Literally, like Porsche, everything's off by a couple. This thing's right on. All right, here we go. Brake pedal over here. Oh, Jesus. I'm not going back on the belt line of this thing. Over here. Oh, Jesus. Sometimes you just have to be happy you survived the 0 to 60. That's kind of how we feel today. But 12.2, that's going to be tough to beat on the other side. So what do you think is slower than this? I don't know. Let us know. See you next time.